Hey, I'm Chris with Affordable Medical, USA.com Mobility Solutions. GC540 just arrived. Do the unboxing. We think this is going to be a very nice scooter for people that are looking for a high weight capacity scooter that goes shopping, Disney World, theme parks, Disneyland, wherever you want to go, Dollywood, because it has a 3-wheel turning radius, but in a heavy duty feature or a heavy duty model. So let's all right, so just cut those straps, and like if you don't, I'm going to show you this real quick. They put the flags up here, so get those out. But good morning, buenos dias. So that means good morning. This right here could just come up, but if you do that, you'll get the flags. I didn't need that. You won't be able to see the flags if you just pull it straight up. And someone's shorter, just remember when you put an elevated seat, it does make the seat post a little bit higher. Here's your batteries, and then you got to hook this stuff up. So very easy, just plug and play. If you get it wrong, you'll figure it out. And then you might see this extra cord right here. That's just going to be probably for something for your if you had an elevated seat, so I wouldn't worry about that. Then you're just going to put this thing right back on. Make sure you get it in.
Well, let me check it out in this grass right here. Let's see how it handles it. Oh, very good. Very good. Very stable. Let's see about these turns. Wow. I can make some sharp turns and no tilting, no tipping. Yep, this is very safe. Very safe. Strong.
Hey, so how's that feel so far?
Great. It handles real good.
How tall are you?
6 foot.
You're making some sharp turns too.
Sharp turns, no problem. I don't feel it. It has not even touched that little side wheels that we have down here. It hasn't even touched it, and I made some really sharp turns on a little hill here. Watch, I'll go down here by the mailbox. Yeah, this is good. Handle's good. As sharp as the turns I made, it did not tilt to that wheel on the side, which that's great. Great handling. Great balance. What do you want?
Run through that still slag.
All right. Oh yeah. Boy, them springs, them cushions. It's a smooth ride. Considering how bumpy this is.
little bit bigger. I just took a Phillips head, stuck it in there, brought this back a little bit, and then I got this one to go in. So nothing's perfect. If you get one of these from me, I'm just giving you a heads up. It's a little tough to get this on. So other people might have it a little bit better, or do a little bit better editing, because I'm not really going to edit out too much. I want to kind of tell you a little challenge unboxing with this video. So, all right, so that's pretty much it. Battery's on. Fire this thing up. Putting the seat together. Shouldn't take that long throwing the arms on it. Arms are going to be underneath your unit right here. Parts in here. You'll see your keys. Manual, mirrors, and charger. Now you gotta get it off the box. So I'm gonna get someone to help me get this off the box. If you don't have anyone to help you, when you go in there to do the batteries, you probably want to unhook the batteries, take the batteries off one by one to make this a little bit lighter to come off. So we're just gonna get this thing off. But really, to be honest with you, I think for some of my customers, I have a lot of them actually that need a scooter like this, and I really didn't have one for them. So we'll see how it rides, how it drives, and how good the legroom is getting on and off the scooter. But right now it looks pretty nice. All right. Hey, let me get that mic.
Get it out.
You videotaping?
You're filming. I'm filming, baby.
Okay. It's doing very well. I mean, it's a little hill. I'm gonna turn it on this hill, which you would never do. It's doing great if you want to ride in. So there's your charger port. I just fired up this charger. Even though it's at 100%, I like to give it a full charge. Here's your supercharger. And that light should turn to green when it's fully charged. The light where it says G, I think. So it's the first time I've seen this charger. I've seen it. You also have your digital dash. And it's just showing it's going through a charge, where it's charged at. So this dash will show you if your charger's working too, because if you have it unplugged, it'll be at like a 20, whatever it would be. If it came up from 25 to 28, you know the charger's working. So turn that off. Yeah, it's nice. And I'm not too worried about it. Water resistant push buttons on here. You're gonna get caught in little rains like this. It was sunny, it was nice, and all of a sudden the rain just decided to come out. And you really can't fault someone for getting caught in situations like this. Now, if you do get caught in the rain, you don't want to go through puddles and stuff. That's gonna really, try to avoid them, which you should be able to. But this little bit of light rain, I'm not worried at all about it. So because of the new water resistant dashboard they came out with to protect this, so I wouldn't say go out in a heavy rain, but if it starts to rain on you, don't be too alarmed. You need a scooter shade, check it out, scooter shade. All right, that's you're going to have all your information you need to know about operating it, additional safety tips, flash code, all that stuff is right underneath there. Yeah, the GC540. If you're looking for a heavy-duty scooter and you want that 3-wheel configuration to go into stores and stuff, check this out. Don't be scared of a 3-wheel scooter. If you're a big person and you're sitting on a smaller scooter, or a Go-Go, or even a Victory 10, and you're big up to 400, 415, those can be very tipsy up the 3-wheel configuration. But this thing right here, don't worry about it. Don't you worry about it. It's a nice unit. But if you're going to buy something just for your yard and not taking it places, check out our larger scooters we have. But everyday user, shopping, going places, this is it. The GC540 by Golden Companion HD. Full light package. This thing's nasty. Thank you so much. Check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com, or you can call us at 803-926-2224.